oil, Vaseline, dip it in, soak it in. I've got a bag of twigs and things there, but I've got a few extra little twigs here, and I'll put that in the top and I'll get it started and show you how it goes. Just lit that cotton ball there now, and as you can see, it's creating instant flame, and the wood is lighting up straight away. I've never been able to light fire this fast in my life, and it gets pretty hot pretty quickly. And I'll just leave that burning for a little while. I fired it up 5 minutes ago, and as you can see, the fire starts coming around the edges at the top. You can sort of see how it works. That's cool. And it is seriously hot. Once that starts happening, we're pretty much ready to cook. Cooking with fire. Nothing better. Alright, I've rinsed that out, scraped it all out, it's all pretty clean. Now, wipe it with the paper towel doused in oil, inside and outside. It's a bit black, good cleaning. Basically leave that on there so that oil starts smoking. Dishes are done. Too easy.